Intro to Alexander Yanai 8, Rolling the Head Between the Hands. This is a famous classic lesson in which we are rolling our head between our hands, disentangling neck and shoulders. Awareness of how subtle head movements affect the spine and rib cage. Proprioception. The hands teach the head how to move independently from the body. Incremental learning, slow, mindful repetitions are more effective than force or speed. Once mastered, it improves head-neck coordination in daily activities and prepares for rolling, turning, and spinal extension.